Hi everyone, how are you all? I'm back with another product which I want to review and talk about it, and this is by the PLUM, and this is this particular face wash. It's called Green Tea Gentle Revival Face Scrub. So I want to talk about my skin first. So if you guys have been following me, you know what kind of skin I have. I have a very sensitive, very combination and acne prone skin. Yes, even in my 30s, I do face acne. Yeah, problem. So basically, I cannot go ahead and choose any product from the shop and just start using it. It doesn't work like that for me. And green tea is one of the ingredient which is very important and very useful for a combination in acne prone skin. So the products which have green tea extract to it, they usually work for such skin texture. And thankfully the PLUM has come up with a vast range of green tea products. It has your moisturizers, your face wash, your face scrub, and whatnot. They recently introduced a brand new product in the green tea range, and which is this particular face scrub. And I'll say that it's very gentle. I've already used it on my face and I saw the difference. I saw how it was not literally scrubbing my face, but still it was exfoliating the dead skin, which is very much required from all the scrubs that we want to use. So the scrubs which are very gentle and have very natural exfoliants, they work really well for combination sensitive acne prone skin, and this product is exactly about that. So this is basically 100% vegan. Good thing, right? And you can use it only twice a week, and that is more than sufficient. You don't have to scrub your face every single day. And that is how it looks, and it is 75 grams of the product in this particular tube, and it retails for 395 rupees. So yes, that was about my review on this green tea gentle revival face scrub by PLUM. It's nice, it's good. I tried it and I can actually recommend it to you guys. So if you're in a search of a good face exfoliator for yourself, go ahead and give it a try. It's a nice product. So I hope you guys found this review useful. You'll go ahead and check it out. If you do so, let me know in comment section what you think about it. And until next time, see you. Bye.